That's the attic vent, but nobody used that. No. They used the crawl space or the back door to exit the house, or the people below me have the remote neural monitoring technology given to by either my last people that I was in an apartment with. Same household, whatever you want to call it. The guy that lived in the apartment, it took him 4 months to move out of a small apartment, very modest apartment. Kind of like last summer when I stayed over here in a tent all summer, and the carpenter at the other house retrofitted it with compartments and removed floorboards so they could be put back down. We're going to remedy this one way or the other. That's for sure. So we're either going to get a hold of the tax division, we're going to get a hold of the Civil Rights Division, maybe fair and equal housing. Sounds like a pretty good idea to me. I mean, I'm still standing outside, and to get out of the attic or crawl space before me? No. No way. Would mean that someone is still so close to be able to use that technology. And because it's made to slow kill over time. I'm wanting to take a polygraph test to prove that the people at my last house had me on it and wanted to lie about it. Because, I mean, they originally paid 80 grand for the house. And over the time that I was there, I paid around $100K. Now, the guy that moved out, I'll save that for part 2. Because I know what I heard. And no one falls asleep outside without a jacket. And all it took was my anxiety medicine and 4 ibuprofen, 200 milligram. Doesn't happen. Now look, light is completely gone from the sky. I'm gonna get up, walk over. You can't even see it through the clouds because it's not there. It turned its light off. Gone. I don't know if it was just in this video or not. I have to go back and look. And I'm hoping that I didn't erase it. And it's on this one too. I don't remember if I looked up. There's 2 of them in the sky. There was one here, right above the line, which is gone. I'm going to take a polygraph test. 1,000% positive. And the other one is at the back of the house. Oh yeah. Oh, I can't get that one. but we're not going to keep putting up with remote neural monitoring and the use of I just called Department of Justice. So I'm 10 minutes in. Oh, what do you know? They're both gone. Unless that's it right there that's blinking in and out. Oh. That's no stuff. Oh, wait a minute. No, that's a lightning bug. Yeah. Oh, no, my bad. Let me walk out to the grass. There we go. That is no star. Not by a long shot. See? Just up with the cloud. And here comes a car. Check this out. Let me get to the side of the house. Oh, that was my... Oh, no. Oh, somebody picked him up. Look at that. I did not get that on tape, but I promise 1,000% that someone was just picked up at the end of my street. Someone is going to have a very bad day tomorrow. Very bad day. There's the one in the tree now that was above me before, to the right. You can see how it, hold on, let me find it, there it is. You can see how it has moved. Let me see if I can find it out here. And I did not see someone picking up. I did not foresee that. Someone being picked up at the end of my street. Now, I only moved because it just picked someone up straight down there at the corner. Chad Robinson, Cody Robinson. I no longer am playing games. Maybe code enforcement also. We'll see. We'll see how far and ignorant I can be. So my guess is they were in the attic, went down a crawl space, kind of like a shaft, or they were in the crawl space, out the back door, down to the corner, and was just picked up. Now what I'm going to do is stop this, make sure that I don't have something I'm not supposed to on me. Pocket knife, make sure everything is the right size. Now, I did not foresee someone coming to pick them up where I'm walking. So unless there's a car pulled over down here where I'm walking, and there's a hooker in the car, the people in my basement, or the people in the apartments below me, know full and well because no one, like I said, no one is willing to testify in Senate, Congress, Supreme Court, where those no one is willing to we got fresh turnaround tracks. Yep, right here. Fresh turnaround tracks, see? No car down the road. Chad and Cody Robinson. Kim Robinson. And the people who worked on the apartment. So I hear doors slamming and shit. And it just came from my left. Up here. I'm done fucking with people. Over there where that light is in the far background. That one up there. It's where I just heard the bang come from. Because that's my window right there. Now, why would a car pull up, turn around, go back? hope I actually got most of that on tape, because I don't feel like having to cut it, do it again, because I won't be able to catch that again. But let's see if I move to the same place, I will be able to see these government drones, because that's what they are. Look at that, all gone. All gone. Even the one that was out here is all gone. Now there's one all the way over here. Right there. That's not a star. Trust me, it's too close. Oh, now I'm gonna have to go and watch this before I actually post part of it. But still yet on remote NORAD monitoring, Chad, Cody Robinson, I'm gonna sit here in the dark and I'm gonna finish my cigarette while my black and mild. See, I just heard a bang from over here. I mean, that could mean that they didn't get picked up and they're still inside. So the people below this window apparently are taking part. Whoever shut the screen door, taking part. Now, I gotta pinpoint that screen door because my ears are very good, but I'll pinpoint that shit. But my last landlord does not want to see code enforcement at their door. They do not want a letter in the mail. But since they started this harassment campaign, we're just going to have to see where it goes, aren't we?